Bernadette de los Reyes. Chia. Miss Philippines Water, Miss Alma Cabasal.
Mix of everything.blogspot.com.
Miss Philippines Air, Miss Nancy Leonard. And a big applause for Miss Philippines Earth 2013, Miss Angelique Nadat de los Reyes. Sash, because we are going to find out kung saan po ng mga places, anong mga places nire-represent nila, anong provinces, cities, and municipalities. And we have, of course, the reigning court led by Miss Angelique Nadat de los Reyes to, of course, give the sashes to our candidates for their respective provinces, cities, and municipalities. So, may we ask Miss Philippines Earth 2013, I'm going to head over to you here. Makipag-chika lang ako sa'yo. Hello, Miss Philippines. Do you have any messages or any thing you'd like to say to everyone who has come out here to support the 2014 Miss Philippines?
Well, I hope that they will not just support their favorite candidates, but they will also support, of course, us going organic through Hana Shampoo, and of course supporting all the activities of Miss Philippines Earth and Miss Earth Foundation. That is for the environment.
Yes, and of course, ngayon makikilala na nila kung sino yung mga ating mga kagandahang mga delegates this afternoon.